pressure washing. Today we've got a house that's got algae growth coming up on the bottom. We got the chimney as well that's growing, so we're going to hit that with an SH and water mix with a little bit of surfactant for it to stick. Right now we're mixing probably about 10 gallons of water to 1 gallon of 12.5% SH. So we're going to see how that works first. We're going to wet it down, hit it with the pre-treat, and go from there. All right, guys. One thing not to forget, make sure you wet the grass and vegetation down real good before you spray your mix. Got it all wet, we're going to spray our mix on. We're going to start from the bottom and work our way up. As you can see, it's already starting to kill it away. We're going to let it sit and dwell for about 10-15 minutes. I'm going to go get another tip so we can hit the chimney. Alright, now we let it dwell for about 15 minutes. Sometimes you gotta add a little extra. Try not to go too strong because I don't want to mess the siding up. Alright guys, now that it's dwelled long enough, now we're going to go through and rinse. That's a wrap, guys.